Okay, so hello everyone. We are as a group of integrated academic presentation class will discuss about AI and its act in language learning and how it affected students and teachers alike. My name is Rizal Nabil Hasan and we'll go straight to the business. First, we'll see the positive aspect of AI.
My name is Keiko and Welly, and my last three is with number 8041. So for a long time, people have been trying to use technology to make language learning better. And now AI is proving to be a real game changer. So there's a study that gives me some amazing insight into how well AI assist language learning works. So the study looked at students learning English as a second language and the results were truly impressive. The students who learn with the help of AI did much better than those who use traditional methods. They improved their grammar, learned more vocabulary, understood writing text better, and even became better writers. It seems AI can really make a difference in all areas of language learning, but it's not just about getting good grades. The study also found that AI helped students feel more motivated and become better at learning on their own. Just think about it, AI can adapt to your individual needs and figuring out how you learn best. It's like having a personal tutor who always there to help no matter what time it is. What really interesting is that AI works well with what we already know about how people learn. The study mentioned theory says that we learn best when we interact with each other. So in the case of AI, the AI program becomes your learning partner, guiding you and helping you grow.
Okay, and then my name is Mohamad Wijaya with my last three digits to the number 048. Uh, in this section, I also agree with statement that AI has a positive impact on language learning. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we learn language, and not just by making it more convenient, but by making it more effective. In a 2023 study published in Frontiers of Psychology, state that students who learn through AI showed significantly higher improvement in all four major speaking components like fluency, vocabulary, grammar accuracy, and pronunciation. But the impact goes deeper. AI helps these students develop self-regulation, the ability to control their learning plan, monitor their progress, and reflect. That's huge. Why? Because in the real world, language learners don't always have a teacher around. With AI, learners are empowered to take charge of their progress. And now, let's talk about personalization. Unlike traditional methods where one size fits all, AI adapts to the learners. The system identifies what each student struggles with, whether it's pronunciation or vocabulary, and tailors the next activity accordingly. The level of customization is simply not possible in a typical classroom. And the next is AI also creates an interactive and gamified environment. Learners are more engaged, motivated, and willing to practice. In fact, the study shows that students practicing with AI had more sustained and meaningful interactions than with human peers because AI is available 24 per 7, doesn't judge, and provide consistent feedback. In short, AI doesn't replace teachers, it enhances the learning process. It gives students the tools, it gives students the tools and confidence to independence to improve their language and provide they need to drive in language learning. So when we ask if AI has a positive impact on language learning, the answer is not just yes. It's a resounding yes backed by science, proven by outcomes, and experienced by learning worldwide. I think that's all from positive side.
Okay, next to the negative side.
Okay, my name is Ulil with the last two number 049. No, I know AI cannot replace teachers, but this is the danger of AI. It depends on the user. Most students abuse this power, abuse this new technology. They use AI to cheat or as a replacement for teachers. They didn't want to pay attention to their teachers in the school and asked for AI instead. Although AI cannot replace teachers, it's because AI doesn't have the emotional. AI doesn't have the creativity. AI only follow our commands when teacher can give us ideas. Now for the next one, it's back again. AI can be used as a cheat. Now for the next problem, AI saves our data. That's why AI knows when we are struggling and where we are struggling. And we never know where this data are sent to, are saved where. Where is it saved? Sorry. And for the next one, we can get lost in translations. First, people often struggles in this part when they want AI to translate into more unrecognizable languages. For example, some native languages from unpopular countries. Even Indonesian countries are still unrecognizable sometimes, not all the times. Especially bahasa daerah, kasih bahasa daerah, traditional language. Especially traditional languages. Now, why? Because based on Regulado Fonde Lapal on 2023, it says AI prioritize more more popular languages and forget the unpopular one.
Okay, guys. So my name is Mohamad Hisyam Rasyid with student number 123-231-052. So today I will share to you guys what I have learned from the article with the name "The Negative Impact of Artificial Intelligence on Students in Academic and Real Life Performance." Consistently dependent on AI tools when the student will bring fails to improve their basic fundamental skills, such as critical thinking, and makes them inactive in academic performance. It also potentially affects the problem-solving skills in the real life. So the uncontrolled and excessive utilization of AI tools has some critics that students become more reliant on, which is result in hindrance to decision-making process. Over-reliance on AI tools also can result disappearance of traditional skills such as handwriting skills, memorization, and math solving problems, which is it's still important for academic settings. Some AI may also have contain inaccurate and biased data, which can lead them to misinformation and wrong conclusion. AI tools provide fast information to students, which can lead them use only copy and paste without understanding the content. Furthermore, there are concerns regarding their data privacy, which collected by the AI and used for unethical use. Therefore, teachers and their parents should monitoring their AI using.
Okay, so from what I gathered from my friends, first, AI is undeniably useful in many levels of language learning, from improving grammar and communication skill to self-planning and personal study. Still, there are some problems that could have arrived in the field when introduced to the presence of AI, such as the abuse of AI as a teacher replacement, a safety concern in data collection, and dependency issue in education. And to effectively counter this negative effect and maximize the positive aspect that come from it, we need to careful consideration to how the AI model itself source and use information that are used in the language education. This can be done by intensifying the law of fair use of AI itself in the field of education. So, that's all our group discussion today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.